I've got the Powerbeats Pro tools, and today I'll be showing you the different ways you can charge these earbuds. Okay, now given the fact that they don't come with a charging cable or a charging brick in the box, you do need to find your own power cable. Okay, now the charging port is right behind the case. You can see the charging port right there, and when you charge the case, that charges the earbuds as well. All right, so you do need a type C cable that can fit in here. So I have one here. That's a type C port on the charging case. Now the other end of the cable could be type C, it could be type A, depending on what you have available for you. And all you need to do is connect this other end of the cable to a power source. Now this could be a USB port on your laptop, on your computer. It could be a power brick, it could be a power bank, it doesn't really matter. All those sources of power will charge your Powerbeats Pro. So I'm just going to connect it to a charging brick. And when you connect them to charge, you might hear the chime telling you that they're charging. And you can see on the case this little red light that confirms the earbuds are charging. Now, in case you're in a place that doesn't have a power outlet, you can actually use your phone to charge your Powerbeats Pro. So for instance, if you have a cable that you can connect the other end of the cable to, for instance, I have my iPhone 16, which is a type C port. And when I connect the other end of this type C to type C cable, that starts charging this Powerbeats Pro 2. You can see the red light that confirms I'm charging. It's drawing power from my iPhone. Okay, so that's another way of doing it. Now, the Powerbeats Pro tools also support wireless charging. So if you're in a place that has a wireless charger, all you have to do is place them on the wireless charger and they're going to start charging. Okay, you can confirm by hearing the chime or checking the light on the case. So they also support wireless charging. That's another way of charging them. And that also means you may not have a wireless charger, but you could have a phone that supports reverse wireless charging. So let's say you have a phone, it has charge, but you didn't bring the cable, but this bud supports wireless charging, and you may have a phone that supports reverse wireless charging. Obviously, that's not the iPhone. That could be a phone like the Samsung Galaxy phone. Some of the Vivo phones also support reverse wireless charging. And if you enable reverse wireless charging, it's actually called wireless power sharing. So I'm going to turn it on. And once I turn it on, I'll attempt to charge these buds. You have to find the sweet spot. There you go. I did find the sweet spot. It's at that exact spot that they allowed or they basically started charging. Okay, so I'm not sure if I can show you, but you just have to believe me. They're currently charging wirelessly from my reverse wireless charging capable Samsung Galaxy phone. Now this could be any other phone, and those are the different ways you can charge your Powerbeats Pro tools. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly also subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.